been a little while since I made a video. Probably, well, I mean, it's been a while since I made a video about to add to the third floor project. I did put the same clothes back on though. I'll give you an update. I worked over the weekend at my normal job. I worked long days, Saturday and Sunday. Monday, my daughter and her husband just my daughter and my husband, they got a U-Haul and came over and said, hey, we're here to help. So we went over to the other building and we loaded up kitchen cabinets. Trying to remember exactly what we loaded up. Okay. We loaded up dressers, kitchen cabinets, a piano, a huge, nice, solid wood desk, all the drawers that go into the cabinets and the dressers and the desk and all that, everything. We made 2 loads in that U-Haul and got it all done. During that process, we realized just how much we're not used to doing that tough, hard physical labor. We did persevere and we did, push our way through and we got it done. We made those 2 loads to the house. So in the other building, I don't think there's anything in there. I can't think of anything in there right now that would need to go to the house. But in here, down that main hallway that way, I've got some more pieces for the kitchen cabinets. I think I'm going to eventually get those to the house, but I'm not going to work on that today. But what we're going to do today is I've already got that U-Haul down here. They gave me the key. I parked it at the house. But this morning I went ahead and ate breakfast, had some coffee, got myself ready for the day. Put on my same clothes I was working in yesterday and the same clothes I was working in Friday. And figured I'd just get back to work. My logic about that is there's no need to mess up multiple sets of clothing. Just mess up one set of clothing, okay? Makes it much easier on you. You only have to wash one set of clothing. Some people would call that kind of weird, but for me, it makes a lot of sense. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the other building and we're going to load up cabinets and other odds and ends from there to bring to this building. And in order for me to bring it into this building, then out there where I put all those popcorn machines and those old cardboard boxes and things, I've got to clean all that off. And then from there, going out towards the road, I've got to make a path. Got to make a path so that we can back that U-Haul in there. I don't really know how this is going to work. I'm just going to do my best. I'm thinking that what I'm going to end up doing, we're going to get work done today, but I'm thinking that what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up going down the road and getting that same U-Haul truck later, maybe Thursday and Friday, for 2 days to be able to finish up whatever we do not finish up today. Because I am sore from head to toe from what we did yesterday. My finger's sore. I busted my finger. I think I busted a blood vessel in there. So that was a little bit of a hindrance yesterday. But we'll see what we get done today. and I'll give you some update videos on that. But stay tuned for I call it the third floor project. It's actually, the third floor is up there, second floor is up there. This is the main first floor. And I have underneath that I'm going to be doing some projects and be making videos about all that. But as it goes, I'll give you some updates and you can see the progress, and hopefully we can do all that together. All right. Make sure to watch my other videos.